Yo guys, how are you all? And this is Manisha here, and welcome back to my channel Clever Mind Manisha. So today we are knowing about presidents of India. So yeah, let's get started. Number 1, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, scholar, and subsequently the first president of India. In office from 1950 to 1962, he was an Indian political leader and lawyer by training. Number 2, S. Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian academic, professional politician, philosopher, and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India and second President of India. Number 3, Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain Khan was an Indian economist and politician who served as the third President of India from 13 May 1967 until his death on 3 May 1969. He previously served as Governor of Bihar from 1957 to 1962, as Vice President of India from 1962 to 1967. Number 4, V.V. Giri. V.V. Giri was the fourth President of India from 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. He was the only President to be elected as an independent candidate. He was succeeded by Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed as President in 1974. Number 5, M.D. Hidayatullah. He had also served as an acting president of India from 20 July 1969 to 24th August 1969 and from 6th October 1982 to 31st October 1982. Number 6, V.V. Giri. V.V. Giri is also an acting president. He served as 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. He was the only to serve as acting president. Number 7, Ahmed. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the fifth President of India from 1974 to 1977. He was also the second President of India to die in office. Number 8, B.D. Jati. Dhanappa Jati was the fifth Vice President of the Republic of India, serving from 1974 to 1979. He was acting president of the Republic of India from 11 February to 25 July 1977. Number 9, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the sixth President of the Republic of India, serving from 1977 to 1982, beginning a long political career with the Indian National Congress Party in independence movement. Number 10, Gyani Zail Singh. Gyani Zail Singh was the seventh President of Republic of India, serving from 1982 to 1987. Prior to his presidency, he was a politician with the Indian National Congress Party and had held several ministerial posts in the Union Cabinet, including that of Home Minister. Number 11, R. Venkataraman. Ramaswamy Venkataraman was an Indian lawyer, Indian independence activist and politician who served as an Union Minister as the 8th President of India. Venkataraman was born in Rajamandam village in Tanjore district, Madras Presidency. 12, Shankar Dayal Sharma. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the ninth President of India, serving from 1992 to 1997. Prior to his presidency, Sharma had been the eighth Vice President of India, serving under R. Venkataraman. Number 13. K. R. Narayanan. Kokheril Raman Narayanan was an Indian diplomat, academic and politician who served as the 10th President of India and 9th Vice President of India. Number 14. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Ramaswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. Number 15. Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil is an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. A member of Indian National Congress, Patil is the only woman to have held the office. She had previously served as the Governor of Rajasthan from 2004 to 2007. Number 16. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Kumar Mukherjee was an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India from 2012 until 2017. In a political career spanning 5 decades, Mukherjee was a senior leader in Indian National Congress and occupied several ministerial portfolios in Government of India. Number 17. Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind, born in 1 October 1945, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current President of India. Prior of his presidency, he served as the 26th Governor of Bihar from 2015 to 2017 and as a Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha from 1994 to 2006. Think you would understood clearly. Please do like, share, subscribe and touch the bell icon to get more notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Till then next video.